Welcome to Canva Concepts with Jennifer Estel. We are on episode number 4, and tonight I'm going to teach you how to create your YouTube thumbnails and outro cards using Canva. Plus, I'm going to share with you some new updates with Canva, and inside I will teach you how simple and easy it is to create your YouTube thumbnail. So this is for you if you have your own YouTube channel, or if you're into vlogging, or if you're a graphics designer who sells thumbnails for your shop. So before I get started, if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel and even comment below your questions. This particular tutorial was made in response to a comment we had on our previous episode where someone asked, can you make YouTube thumbnails in Canva? And so our answer to that is yes, definitely you can. And so let's get started. First, we're going to edit our outro card, and we're going to use the previous one that I've used and correct it and aligned it to the circle and rectangle that we can easily found on the vlog. So just screenshot that and place it in your artboard in Canva. Drag the circle and the rectangle and fit it perfectly where your logo and your YouTube video rectangle is. You can design and decorate your outro card just as you like it. As for me, I'm going to keep it like this. Just watch me design it. Now let's go on to creating YouTube thumbnails. I've already have my own
design template for that, so we're just gonna create it inside Canva. So first, let's just recreate the bluish gray background on the left side. Has two parts, one part for the text, title, and the episode number, and the other part, which is on the right side, is my photo. Once you're done with the text, you can put your photo or any image on the right side. And use the remove background feature of Canva Pro. Just as easily as this.
Today, I'll be showing you an update that Canva sent me over email. So this is really good for everyone who uses Canva. So Canva just sent me this, and it says Canva for desktop is now available. So it says here we can now download the desktop app of Canva to our Mac or Windows computer. So we can now use the software and all the design tools of Canva straight in our computers. Let's download Canva. I'm using MacBook, so I'm just gonna click the download button there. And yeah, Canva for Mac, it automatically knows what my OS is, so I'm gonna start downloading it. Alright, so let's double click that, opening Canva. I think this will just take no longer than 5 minutes to do. Oh yeah, there you go. Drag and drop, put it to applications. Application is already there. Ah, there we go. There it is. Okay, now I'm just yeah. Alright. So let's check it out. So I'm now opening the Canva application. Let's see. Yeah, open it. Alright. Get started with Canva. Oh yeah. Oh, I thought it was a web browser. Oh. Okay. So this is nice. So everyone, if you know, this is my login. Gosh, I forgot about that. Okay. Now that we have our login. Okay. Ooh. Alright, it is on a separate window. I like this. Alright, there you go. It works. Definitely works. It has its own browser application, and you can just easily find it in our docs. Good job. Alright, that's it. Have fun, create wonderful designs, and let's create together.